Osiris was a beloved king of ancient Egypt, who taught his people agriculture and civilization, and ruled with justice and peace. Osiris' brother, Set, was jealous of Osiris's popularity and power, so he hatched a plan to kill him and seize his throne. Set invited Osiris to a feast, where he presented him with a luxurious coffin of his size as a gift. As soon as Osiris entered the coffin, Set closed it tightly and threw it into the Nile River. Isis, the devoted wife of Osiris, began a long search to find her husband's body, which had washed up on the coast of Phoenicia. After strenuous efforts, Isis found Osiris' body and returned it to Egypt, but Set was able to find it as well and cut it into 14 pieces scattered across Egypt. Using her great magic, Isis collected the scattered parts of Osiris' body and temporarily brought him back to life, in order to give birth to her son, Horus. Isis gave birth to Horus, who became the symbol of kingship and the protector god of Egypt, and who grew up to face his uncle Set. When Horus reached manhood, he challenged Set to battle to avenge the death of his father, Osiris, and reclaim the rightful throne. Eventually, the gods ruled in favor of Horus, and he became king of Egypt, while Osiris became god of the underworld and ruler of the dead. The myth of Isis and Osiris became a symbol of hope and immortality, with Isis representing maternal strength and loyalty, and Osiris a symbol of rebirth and life after death.